Welcome to the definitive resource for using Transcendental Meditation to change your life. You've come to the correct place if you're seeking for a strategy to lessen stress, sharpen your focus, and enhance your general well-being. Transcendental Meditation, or TM for short, is a simple and effective technique that has been practiced for thousands of years. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it. What is Transcendental Meditation? So, what exactly is Transcendental Meditation? Well, it's a technique that involves sitting comfortably with your eyes closed and silently repeating a mantra, or sound, to yourself. The mantra helps to focus your mind and bring you into a deep state of relaxation and inner peace. And the best part? It's easy to do and doesn't require any special skills or equipment. How to practice Transcendental Meditation. Now that you know what Transcendental Meditation is, let's get started with how to practice it. The first step is to select a mantra, which is a word or sound that you'll repeat to yourself during meditation. I recommend finding a teacher or expert to help you select the right mantra for your specific needs. Next, find a quiet and peaceful place to meditate, and sit comfortably with your eyes closed. Focus on your breath and repeat the mantra to yourself silently. It's normal to have distractions or racing thoughts during meditation, but don't worry. Just gently bring your focus back to the mantra and continue meditating. Tips for successful meditation. Now that you know how to practice Transcendental Meditation, let's go over some tips for successful meditation. First, make sure to set aside a specific time each day for meditation, and try to practice at the same time each day. This helps to create a routine and make it a habit. Second, try incorporating some gentle yoga or stretching before meditation. This can help to relax the body and prepare the mind for meditation. Finally, don't be too hard on yourself. Meditation is a practice, and it takes time to master. Be patient and kind to yourself, and enjoy the process. The benefits of Transcendental Meditation. Now that you know how to practice Transcendental Meditation, let's talk about the amazing benefits you can expect to experience. Transcendental Meditation has been shown to have a wide range of benefits, from reducing stress and anxiety to improving mental clarity and creativity. Practicing TM regularly can help you feel more calm, centered, and focused throughout your day. It can also improve your sleep, boost your immune system, and enhance your overall well-being. And perhaps the most amazing benefit of all is the sense of inner peace and spiritual growth that comes with regular practice. By quieting your mind and connecting with your inner self, you'll develop a greater sense of awareness and understanding of yourself and the world around you. Conclusion and next steps. Congratulations! You now know how to practice Transcendental Meditation and have learned about its amazing benefits. I hope you feel inspired and excited to start your own meditation practice. Remember, the key to successful meditation is regular practice and patience. It's okay to have distractions or racing thoughts during meditation. Just gently bring your focus back to the mantra and continue meditating. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on meditation, mindfulness, and well-being. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.